Yuka Saso is a Philippine-born Japanese professional golfer. Saso was born on June 20, 2001 to a Filipina mother and a Japanese father, hence her Japanese name. She started training in the sport of golf at the age of 8 in 2009. She admired Northern Irish golfer Rory McIlroy as a role model and watched video clips of him as a teenager, modeling her game after his style. Starting with the 2022 LPGA Tour, Saso would be representing Japan following her decision to keep her Japanese citizenship as per Japanese law on dual nationality. On June 6, 2021, she won the 2021 US Women's Open in a playoff against Nasa Hataoka, her first major title, becoming the first Filipino to win the tournament. Saso, at age 19 years, 11 months, 17 days, matched in Bay Park as the youngest golfer to win the tournament. Saso earned her first victory at the 2020 NEC Karuizawa 72. She then won the next event, the Nitori Ladies Golf Tournament. Saso turned professional in November 2019 after earning a LPGA of Japan Tour card for 2020. In late June 2020, she made her debut at the Earth Mondamin Cup in Chiba, where she placed 5th. At the 2017 PSA Annual Awards, Saso received an award for winning the gold medal at the 2016 World Junior Girls Championship, as well as leading the Philippines to victory in the team event. Saso competed at the 2018 Women's Victorian Open as a part of the 2018 Ladies European Tour and finished at 17th position in the women's individual event. With Bianca Pagdanganan and Lois K. Go, Saso secured an unexpected historic gold medal at the 2018 Asian Games in the women's team event. She also won the women's individual competition, the first Asian Games gold medal for the Philippines in the women's individual event. Saso did not participate in the Southeast Asian Games, opting to skip the regional games due to conflicting schedule in both the 2017 and 2019 editions. Saso is one of the 3 Filipino golfers who competed at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. She finished 9th in the women's individual event. Saso held both Japanese and Filipino citizenship but was obliged to renounce one of her 2 citizenships by the time she turns 22 years old in 2023 as per Japanese nationality law. In November 2021, Saso announced her intention to keep her Japanese citizenship. She had completed the process by January 2022. Saso has represented the Philippines in international golf competitions until 2021 but started officially competing for Japan in 2022. Saso, however, feels connection to both her Filipino and Japanese heritage.